So on Tuesday, I had a really bad day and had to deal with someone cranky on Facebook, and it was enough to say, I'm done. I'm going to take a break from Facebook until after the election. And the very next morning, I had a great email that I had to share. And it was from Hard Advice Quote of the Week from Pema Chodron. She is a Buddhist monk, I believe, and it's from her book, The Places That Scare You, A Guide to Fearlessness in Difficult Times. And again, Pema Chodron. Compassion doesn't imply only trying to be good. When we find ourselves in an aggressive relationship, we need to set clear boundaries. The kindest thing we can do for everyone concerned is to know when to say enough. Many people use Buddhist ideals to justify self-debasement. In the name of not shutting our heart, we let people walk all over us. It is said that in order not to break our vow of compassion, we have to learn when to stop aggression and draw the line. There are times when the only way to bring down the barriers is to set boundaries. What a great message that was for me. I said I had enough. I said I can't come from a place of compassion for this man, and that's danger, Will Rogers, for me, because I don't want to be in that space. I don't like being in that space. And so when you take action, the universe, God, whatever your term is, steps up to greet you, steps up to hold your hand, steps up to support you. So maybe it's not getting off social media, but maybe there's something you've been struggling with and you have to say enough, and you're dealing with someone aggressive. Create that boundary, and you can do so from a loving place like I did. Say, you know what, I can't have compassion from you. I'm going to step back because I don't like living this way. So just a little thought today on creating boundaries, and when you put it out there, the universe responds. And remember, always take good care of yourself. There are many of us struggling right now, and if you need to stop something, get off social media until this crazy election is over, I encourage you to do so. Go out, clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.